Welcome everyone. Today we are solving case study based question. This is chapter 1 real numbers. First question case study question number 1. Let's see. This is the question. This is the image for the question and after the question you can see total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 questions. So we will solve all these questions. The question is to enhance the reading skill of grade 10th student, the school nominates you and two of your friends to set up a class library. There are two sections, section A and section B of grade 10. There are 32 students in section A and 36 students in section B. So in section A there are 32 students and in section B there are 36 students. Section A 32 students and section B 36 students. The first part of this question is what is the minimum number of books you will require for the class library so that they can be distributed equally among students of section A and section B. So in section there are 32 students and in section B there are 36 students. अगर हम 32 बुक्स ही कंसीडर कर लें कि 32 बुक्स ही हैं फॉर सेक्शन ए एंड बी तो सेक्शन ए के बच्चों को तो 32 बुक्स है ईच विल गेट 1 बुक्स एंड इट विल बी एन इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बट द सेम नंबर ऑफ बुक्स 32 जब हम सेक्शन बी को देंगे तो 4 स्टूडेंट्स को बुक्स नहीं मिलेगी. सिमिलरली जब अगर हम 36 बुक्स ही लेते हैं तो 36 बुक्स सेक्शन बी के 36 स्टूडेंट्स को इक्वली मिल जाएंगी लेकिन सेक्शन ए के सभी बच्चों को बुक्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होने के बाद भी 4 बुक्स एक्स्ट्रा रहेंगी. तो 32 और 36 इज नॉट अ सूटेबल नंबर कि हम 32 बुक्स लें या फिर 36 बुक्स लें. तो हमें इसके लिए क्या करना होगा, हमें 32 और 36 का एक कॉमन मल्टीपल ढूंढना होगा. कॉमन मल्टीपल के लिए हम लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ढूंढना होगा जिसके लिए हम एलसीएम करेंगे 32 और 36 का. तो 32 का एलसीएम कर लेते हैं. 32 प्राइम नंबर से ही डिवाइड करेंगे. यू नो दैट प्राइम नंबर्स हैं प्राइम नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2, 3, 5, 7. These all are prime numbers. तो प्राइम नंबर्स ही लेना है आपको 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So first I am taking number 2. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1 is 2. Now second 36. Again prime number. You can take prime number 3, you can take prime number 2, any one of the number because both the numbers divide 36. So this time I am taking 3 first. 3 12s are 36. 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1 is 2. Now we have to take LCM. LCM of 32 and 36. So here it will be, first we will choose the numbers which are common. So what are common? See, you can see 2 times 2 is here and 2 times 2 is here. So means 2 into 2. After then, which is uncommon? अनकॉमन कौन सा है? ये 3 into 3 इसमें है लेकिन इसमें नहीं है. So we will take this 3 into 3 and similarly ये 2 into 2 into 2. This 2 into 2 into 2 is are the factors of 32 but not here. So we can write this also 2 into 2 into 2. And when you will multiply all this, you will get LCM of 32 and 36. Let's clear this first. Now this 2 into 2 will be 4, 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. If you multiply 4 nines are 36 into 8 is equal to 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28. So the LCM of 32 and 36 is 288. So 288 is the correct answer. 288 are the minimum number of books which will be there in the library so that section A and section B both can take equal number of books. इट मीन्स उस लाइब्रेरी में 288 बुक्स होनी चाहिए. अगर सेक्शन ए लाइब्रेरी में जाता है बुक्स लेने के लिए, देन ईच स्टूडेंट 32 स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो ईच स्टूडेंट विल गेट सेक्शन ए 32, तो ईच स्टूडेंट विल गेट 3 into 3 9 बुक्स. एंड इफ सेक्शन बी जिसमें 36 स्टूडेंट्स हैं अगर वो जाएंगे तो उन्हें मिलेंगी कितने बुक्स मिलेंगी उनको? 2 into 2 into 2 8 books. Each student will get 8 books to read. So this is the LCM. The minimum number of books will be 288 in the library, so that if section A goes to read, they will get equal number of books, which is 9, and if section B goes to read the books, they will get 8 number of books. Each will get 8 number of books. So the minimum number of books in the library must be 288. Second question, if the product of two positive integers is equal to the product of their SCF and LCM is true, then the SCF of 32 and 36 is. Okay, let's solve this question. If the product of two positive integers is equal to the product of their SCF and LCM is true, then HCF of this is. We have to find the SCF of 32 and 36. So same way 36 and 32. We'll find the common factors. We know that prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So we can select the prime number which can divide 32 and then we will select the prime number which will divide 36. So here I am taking 2 first. So 2, 16 times 2 is 32, 2 8s are, 2 4s are and 2 1 is, 2 2s are. Then 2 1 is. Here 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1 is. So Just take care, we have to take only prime numbers. I have taken prime number 2 to divide 32, and here I have taken prime numbers 2 and 3 to divide 36. Now SCF of 32 and 36. First of all, 32. 32, we can write 32. 32 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 36, 36 we can write equals to 2 times 2. This is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now HCF of 32 and 36. So here this is 2 is common factor from in both the numbers. 2 is, this 2 is also common, and this 2 is, this 2 and this 3, now nothing is common. So 1 time 2 will take from this pair, and 1 time 2 will take from this second pair. So 2 into 2 is 4. So the HCF of 32 and 36 is 4. This is the correct answer. Now we'll do the next part, third part of this question. Third part of this question is 36 can be expressed as a product of its primes as. So just pause the video and you just try factorize this 36, then in its prime factors, and then try to solve by your own. Try to solve before me, before I will solve. 36 can be expressed as a product of its prime. We know that prime numbers starts from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So we will divide 36 by only these numbers to get prime numbers which can divide 36. So 36, I'm dividing first by 2. 2 18s are 36. Then again 2 9s are 18. Then next prime number 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1 is 3. So 36 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 1 and 1. So 2 raised to power 2 into 3, 1 time 1 time 3 raised to power 2. So the correct answer is 2 square times 3 square. This is the correct answer. Oh, you also did the same? Good, great. Now let's do the fourth part of this question. The fourth part is 7 times 11 times 13 times 15 plus 15 is a. So what type of number it is? Let's see. Question number 4. 7 times 11 times 13 times 15 plus 15 is a. So we'll keep these numbers in one bracket, and from these numbers, and this is the second part of the number. So what you can see common in both the terms of this number, this 15 is common. So we can write 15, and here you can write 15 times 1. So if you take 15 common, you left with here, we will left with 7 times 11 times 13. 7 times 11 times 13, 15 we have taken out, plus here 15 we have taken out from this second term, we have taken out 15, so 1 is left, 1. Now 15 into, now here 11, 7 into 11 is 77, 77, okay, I'm writing 77 into 13 plus 1. First we'll multiply by the rule of BODMAS. Now 15, this 17 into 13, 77 into 13, 13 sevens are 91, 9 carry, 13 sevens are 91, plus 9 is 1001, plus this one. Now 15 into 1001 plus 1 is 1002. Now this 15 is a composite number because it can be divisible by 3, 5, other than 1 and 15, and this 1002 is also a composite number because it is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So this number, this when you will multiply this number 15 into 1002, the number will be divisible by 3, 5 and 2, other than the numbers 1, 15 and 1002. So we can easily say whether if you have not multiplied, if you would have not multiplied this all these numbers here 15 and this and all, still you can say because 15 is a composite number which is outside this bracket, so the entire number will be a composite number. But this number 15 is divisible by 1, 15, 3 and 5. This number is also divisible by 1, 2 and 1002 itself. So the product of this number is also divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these numbers. So this number cannot be a prime number, it will be a composite number. So the correct answer is composite number. If you don't multiply, just by seeing this number which is common 15, which is a composite number, so the entire number will be composite. But in case you get the common number is a prime and the rest number, then you need to multiply or add. Otherwise here you can directly say it is composite number because the number which is common, which is outside the bracket, that is also a composite number. Now the last part of this case study based question from chapter 1, question number 5. If P and Q are positive integers such that P is equal to AB square and Q is equal to A square B, where A, B are prime numbers, then the LCM of P and Q is. Here we have to find out the LCM of these numbers. Okay, let's try this. Pause the video and you try this question by your own. Question number 5. So here in place of P we are given AB square, in place of Q you are given A square B. So P is equal to AB square, which is A into B into B. We can write P in like this. Now Q is equal to A square B. It can be written as A into A into B. Now we have to find out the LCM of P and Q. So LCM of P and Q. So to find out the LCM of P and Q, we will take, first of all we'll find which is common. So what is common? Common is A. So we will write 1 time A. What is common other than this? Other than this, we have B common. So B is also common. And which is uncommon? A is common, so we'll write one time. B is common, so we'll write again one time B. But this B is not common. So this B will also be written, and this A, which is again not common. This B is not common, so we'll write this B, and this A is also not common, so we'll write this A. The common thing we will write here, which is common, this is also common, but this is not common, this is not common, so which is not common, which is uncommon, that terms will also be written. Now here, this is one time A, it will be A square, and b raised to power 1, it will be b square. So the LCM of P and Q is A square, B square. B square means this answer. LCM लेते समय आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप जो भी नंबर है उसके फैक्टर्स करेंगे, प्राइम फैक्टर्स करेंगे, या जितने भी आप मिनिमम फैक्टर्स कर सकते हैं लीस्ट फॉर्म में उसको करेंगे. उसके बाद जो कॉमन है उसे वन टाइम लेना है. जैसे कि हमने A इस वाले कॉमन में A लिया, यहाँ पर B, तो हमने यहाँ पर ये वाला B कॉमन लिया यहाँ से. उसके बाद जो कॉमन नहीं है, लेट मी एक बार और देख लेते हैं. तो यहाँ पर A कॉमन लिया, दिस A, यहाँ से हमने B कॉमन था, दोनों में ही था तो हमने B लिया. लेकिन ये वाला जो B था ये नहीं था, न तो इस वाले में है बट इसमें Q में नहीं है, मतलब कॉमन नहीं है. जो कॉमन नहीं है हमें वो भी लेना है. और उसके बाद इधर Q के फैक्टर्स में हमने देखा कि ये जो A है ये भी कॉमन नहीं है, ये P का फैक्टर नहीं है, तो हमने इसको भी लिख लिया. So now this is power 1, A raised to power 1 will be A square, and B raised to power 1, will be B square. So the correct answer, LCM of P and Q is A square, B square. Now here all the 5 parts of case study question 1 from chapter 1 real numbers we have finished, we have completed. Now for the next question we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Keep learning.